n'ebe ndezu tọrọ mizai n'ebe ndezu tọrọ mizai pụtara onye ọ tọrọ denie kwanụ gachia no garanda ọ ndezu ha tọrọ mizai side na bụta Chineke obiligwe nọ n'ọrụ n'ọhụ gị ya ọ ndị ara ndị tọrọ mizai side le ngo nọ kwu okwu ọ mizai ha kwuru okwu hia na legodi ya ụtaka Chineke dị ome ihe ọ pụtara nye ọbụla ọ na-eme na nkịtị ndị zu ndị tọrọ mizai side bụta ome ha ọ pụtara ọ ofu ufe onye ọbụla ha mege ọ rọbish ka ha mege onwe ha efu gị ya omenye ha metere anya ọsa abịa gbalị ka walakpu erikwa onwe ha bụta aka Chineke na ya ndị zu na ha tọrọ mizai side
Yeah. Okay, cousin. Why? Oh, well, let me add in go. Oh my Lord, it's the solution man. Many. Okay, man. Okay, go get it. Okay, we do it. Network adịrị ebe a mana anyị gara amalichi anyị ma na ụmụ ahịhịa niile nọsị nga ji netwọk mana anyị sụchasịa ya asụchasị ụmụ ahịhịa niile netwọk ya adị ịghọtago ọrụ na-aga we don't move far anyị agago far ịghọtago ọ dị tomorrow na wee ndị niile asụ na asụ ekpochasịa ya hụ ihe arụrụ ịghọtago echi na wee nye niile asụ na asụ enwe onye a na-asụkwa na-aga adago anyị na ọrụ dị adago asụ na ọ dị echi enwe nke we are continue.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. So Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 11th of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you from Biafran land. Biafrans, it is still happening in Okigwe. The Nigerian military, Musa boys and Asari boys are still fighting with the Biafra Liberation Army in Okigwe. Here in this video, you can see how they threw a missile to the Biafran Liberation Army, but those guys were sharp. They understood what was coming and they escaped it. They were not there when that missile landed at that particular spot. So here in this video, you can see them showing exactly what the Musa guys are using to fight them. Here in this video as well, the also Ihitokwa people came out in masses to clear all the bushes to restore peace in their land, because also Ihitokwa has been a ghost town for a very long time. When all this gragra was happening between the Biafra Liberation Army and the Musa boys, so also Ihitokwa people are now calling their people in diaspora, people that ran away to different places to come back home, that Nife Adigoma na Habas also Ihitokwa Adigoma na ha bịa tinye aka ka edozisie ebe mebisiri emebi, ka asụsasie ọfịa, ka udo na ọṅụ na shiatakwa back. Ayo ka ha na-akpọ ndị Obiake here for Navida Ketana Haneme. They are clearing the bushes with the vigilante, clearing the bushes, making this video, telling their people to come back home, that things is now going well in also Ihitokwa. Because also Ihitokwa is where Mother Valley is. Mother Valley is a place that the Biafra Liberation Army has as their major camp in Imo State. So, but I don't think this place exactly is close to that Mother Valley. So, but according to some news, according to some people, they are saying that the Mother Valley has collapsed, that the Musa guys has taken over the Mother Valley. We don't know if it is a propaganda. We don't know yet, but with time goes on, we'll be able to know the exact one that it is. So guys, we're bringing this news to alert what is still going on in Okigwe, in also in Olo, in Imo State, all together. Now, see exactly what Mazen Nandekalo Simon Ekpa is fighting for. Can you imagine? Can you see the sponsorship? Can you see the people that is backing all these Fulani herdsmen up? Can you see this helicopter? You will find out that this helicopter no be small helicopter. This helicopter belongs to a very big organization that has money. Can you see the way they are being given foods, ammunitions, the way they are being taken care of, the way they are even bringing doctors to treat people that are ill or that got injured. So you can see that backup these people are getting. That's exactly what Biafra Liberation Army are fighting for. Had it been that the Biafra Liberation Army is not there, imagine by now everybody must have run away from their ancestral home, because these people must have taken every part and corners of our villages. But thank God for Biafra Liberation Army. Thank God for Mazi Simon Ekpa. Thank God for our supreme leader, Mazi Nandekalo. Thank God for everything, because the Igbos or Biafrans are 10 steps ahead of them. Yes, so this kind of thing will never happen in our land. They can never take our land. Just imagine the sponsorship these people are getting. And none of the northern elite is condemning them. Nobody is even calling for their head. If any of them is even captured alive, if the person is not being integrated into Musa boys, the person will be set free. Imagine. But if it is a Biafran now, they will lock the person up, or they may even buy the person. Now, wow.
Ya uneku lawyer. Akwụkwọ agbara na browser, ana m eku lawyer akwụkwọ agbara YouTube page. Hey! Oh, Guinea. So, everybody, ono afugo kosi Ghana. Ọnwụ na onye ọnwụ na je telecharge Twitter handle. Je no telecharge Telegram. No, not Telegram. Instagram. Okwadia. I won't wear na phone with jet na phone because I'm a great woman. Emele ya walida mazi nande kanu. Emeki the Robertobie, make it Robertobie, frustrate the Robertobie. I walida mazi nande, yeah, when me one na YouTube. May Robertobie frustrate good Robertobie, frustrate gidi. Robertobie from YouTube. So, where based on Twitter. I only went Twitter. Well, then Twitter because it's like that. I upload ngozi na ndị otu ya YouTube. Buy na Twitter or banye na Telegram.
Adan Ndimbona Ndegede is explaining things that is still going on the case of Mazi Simon Ekpa ever since he was jailed. So Ada Ndimbona Ndegede, listen to her very well to understand exactly where she is going. But to me, I think this is the right time for all of them to come together. Because according to her, she said that Ngozi Orebeze sued her, and Ngozi Orebeze reported her social media platforms, YouTube and the rest of them, so that it will be taken down. But I think this is the right time for all these people to come together so that they will back Mazi Simon Ekpa up, so that they will also back the men on ground up. This is not the right time for all this scatter everywhere.
No, not Telegram. Instagram and TikTok. Aya banye. Imana ana emegi ibe. Onwe ka esi afu my life. Ihe ọ na-abịa n'ụzọ ndụ m. Ihe ọ na mana na-eme. Adị m agbakasị arụ na ya. Unu n'anya, adị m agbakasị arụ. You wake me up this morning. Ịma na enwere m ndị na-eche m nche. A na-eche m mana enweghị ebe ụmụ aja na-anaghị eche. Ana m eche m everywhere. Na-amụrịta ụlọ akpa ahụ. Eweke m up. Wee na-asị na Ngozi tweet my Facebook account Osochika Ike Lasuba. But we na report mmiri ugo. Channel anji me program mbosaka ojije o si report o do message. Enwetebe many message mana ji account Osochika Ike Lasuba. But we na report mmiri ugo. Channel anji me program mbosaka ojije o si report o do enwetebe many message. Enwetebe many message mana Gmail because agba m akwụkwọ ndị YouTube Gmail yedere m akwụkwọ that na somebody reported my page. Then enye m time from gwa m ibe onye ahụ kwuru. Then ọmụnwa yezie debate ye. Then ọnwụ na debate anyị debate ye mmeri. Odesi mmeri Chibuzo Egwatu ka emeriri m ye. Then mmeri ọgawa ọkwa na mmeri is akụchie with the page. Anaghị egburu ya mmadụ. Anyị ka ndị mmadụ ji enwe backup page. Then we can open 100,000 because here we will mmiri ugo ọfụbeghị before. So when mmiri ugo we make program. Ọ na this woman nwere uche. Ebe ọ fụ na njiri mmiri ugo a we make program. O nwere fụ na this mmiri ugo na add over 1,000 something. Watch ya. O kwesịrị ịjụ onwe ya ajụjụ. Over 1,000. Watch ya. Aya ya iwe. When on the court I can't tanya with the lawyer. Yes. I can't tanya with the lawyer. I want to wait time. Don't can wait time because Ngozi married to only me work my time at all. Just disturb myself. No, all the too much now. If I bring my time from Ngozi, is that the wasted time? No. Don't can wait time. Only an enemy in animal. Oh, and then the only thing this woman don't sleep. This woman had somebody is no. something. Because I was the Nolana Chetemuma. Because somebody the whole Biafrans that I'm inside the trash. Somebody on a dustbin. You put inside the trash. And I allow but because of so many tea in a dustbin. Oh my God. I don't know more than them and they get them. Ndilala na meche ngozi. Ete ndeje na share Twitter ngozi na ati ho tweeting. Why did I care? I don't care. Because she's not existing for me. So, ebo na gbari o tweet in the tribuna. Or dia kometo mo na ha. Asi amba touch Facebook page here. Ni meto page here no ye meto ya pam oboye na page. Keja kejono ngozi. By reporting my page, do you report my followers?
Thank you, Biafrans, for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dick TV, for we remain the best. Please share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.